Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just going to sell off this signal here, this breakout, and then I'm going to show you how this system works. I'll go for 2-1 profit. We'll add some dollar value, percent, 0.6 risk, entry, stop loss above the dots. I'm going to take my TP down, and then we'll readjust. I'm just going to send this into my Telegram channel, and then we'll come back. Just quickly take a snapshot, send it in there, trade, cancel. What is it? FTM. Okay, that's in. Done. What we look to do is take profit early, and I'm going to go back and show you how successful this trading system is. The signal is this breakout. We're looking for the break, retest and fail pretty much. That's the breakout here. Retest into the mean. Okay, and now we want this to roll over here. Let me just clear the dots of the drawings. Stop loss goes above these dots. So what I like about this is, see the dark color under and the light shade above? This is resistance, and we're trading into a gap here. Okay, so take profits. I'll just get ready to let my members know to close. We're looking for 80% at, see down here the ATA, average true range, 61. Let's just grab a ruler. T1 is going to be where these, just before these green dots. So that'll be my TP1. There it is there. Okay. I've just posted this into my group. But this was the signal over here to short, and then this one was take 80%, especially when it wicked down to here. Close 80%, and then we will trail. So we pull our stop loss down, and we can follow it. But if you want to stay out of the way, you can leave your stop loss above these dots. So let me just go back and show you how you can trade FTM and win just about every trade. How profitable would that be? If this is worth $100 on your account, just figuratively speaking, what's that worth? Okay, so just do the math. Have a look and see how profitable. This one here, what we're looking for is the retest, is the pullback, retest and fail. We kind of got that here. Depends how well you read the market. You could have been in there. If it's prolonged and it comes in here, I'll probably let it go, even though that still would have been a winning trade. Okay, I prefer the signal, and then we get a quick move back into the mean, and then I'm happy to short it. Okay, and we're going to count up how many trades there were. And the rule of thumb is we take 80% early, always. Look at that. I mean, it kept going. The rule of thumb is we take 80% at 1 times the ATR. Okay, there's the breakout. We're looking for the pullback, retest and fail right there. There's our trade. This one was a nice one. And see where you get these extended moves. If you do get a loser, they well and truly make up for it. There's the break, retest, back into the mean, and we trade it. There's your short. So far we've had a 100% win rate. Got that one. If this is prolonged, I will generally stay out of it, but I mean, if you took that, you know, it could have been your outcome here. Stop loss up here, or if you pulled your stop loss down, let's just call that your trade. But you're going to take 80% early. The rest of it's going to be in the profit, like my trade here. I'm already $10 in profit. Here's a pullback into the mean here. Not much out of it, okay, but still. And we're always looking, like wherever we enter, we're going to take 80% early and then trail, follow the dots. Guys, I hope you're counting, like, seriously, which one of these would you not want? Generally, when we have a steep trend like this, I prefer to stay out of the dots. Now, the dots are way more, let's say, successful or easier to trade when the market's ranging. Now, I'll show you that. See where we've got more or less sideways movement, you're going to get a decent trade out of it. When the market's tanking like this, it's going to be short-lived. So on any steep move like that, I tend to kind of avoid it. See, once you see these lines moving at 45 degrees, I would avoid taking these dots. I mean, in saying that, they're mostly pretty good. There's your breakout, retest and fail, there's your trade. That was short-lived, but that's why I don't like taking the dots on a steep trend. But whenever you see the market like ranging sideways, the dots are magic. In any case, let's count these up. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, you get these moves, they're really nice. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's just say that was a loser, although you would have taken 80% there. I don't want to call that a loser, but let's just say that was one. I don't know how many, 13, 14, 15. See what I'm getting at anyway. I mean, you know, is there 20 trades there? And would you, definitely 20 trades. And would you call that, what, 90%? Maybe. Guys, jump on board with me. Learn to trade with my system. Here's my website. Go over to the pricing page. This is extraordinary value. Absolutely it is. Try it for 7 days. Give it a 7-day trial and see what this can do for you. This applies for whatever reason. Okay, no risk at all. Give it a go, guys. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and let's just trail the stop loss. Why not?
With you and I, the future is bright.